To set up Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the notification section, and then we can find Do Not Disturb mode right here. If you enter it, first thing is the option that allows you to turn this Do Not Disturb mode on or off. Also, if you click on it with this option set to ask every time, you'll be able to decide if you want to turn it on until you turn it off manually, or turn it on for a specific amount of time. You can change it right here. That way you can preset it to always turn it on and off manually, or turn it on for a certain amount of time all the time. Basically, that's how you can use the Do Not Disturb mode and enable or disable it. Now we can move down to the schedule. Right here, if you click on this plus button, it allows you to create a custom schedule where your Do Not Disturb mode should toggle on automatically. So you can pick specific days where you want it to work or not, and then you can set time when it should work with start time and end time. Name it however you like and save it. After that, when it's enabled, your Do Not Disturb mode will toggle on automatically. Then we can go down and change behavior for Do Not Disturb mode, so you can manage calls and messages that will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. If you click on Allow during Do Not Disturb mode right here, you'll be able to only allow selected contacts or allow all except selected contacts. Then you can add those contacts with this plus button. If you pick the first option that allows it, you can go down to also allow calls from all contacts, contacts only, or favorite contacts only. Then you can enable repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you 2 times in a span of 15 minutes, the call will normally go through. Then there's messages, and you can do the same thing, change messages to receive them from all contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. Then we have app notifications. You can allow selected apps to send you notifications in Do Not Disturb mode, then click on the plus button to add those apps, or allow all except selected apps. Then you'll be able to select specific apps that won't be able to send you notifications with this plus button. Then there's alarms and sounds. You can enable or disable alarm sounds, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events and reminders in Do Not Disturb mode. And you can hide notifications with full screen notifications when the screen is off. When the screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from notifications panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.